Good morning, dear students. This is Mukta Chandani, Sage Group, again with a new video, the importance of communication for technical students. So what are the main importance for the technical students? Because communication is a very important skill. So you should have to maintain and you should have to improve the communication skills because you are pursuing your technological degree. So this is most important chapter because communication is very, very necessary for the technical professionals. For the technical professional, communication is very, very necessary because in many companies provide many communication training to the domestic and international employees to reap the benefits of effective workplace communication by training interactive session for the employees early in their careers and employers early in their future prospect and on a regular basis. Effective communication causes productivity and to avoid the different type of decrease the errors to the in by getting it the emails or reports and whatever the activity are in the different institutions. So different institutions, they provide the technical communication skills trainings to all the employees. So this is very important for the technical professionals. Communication is also helped with the diversity. You know, diversity means in many companies with global business, in many companies and in with the global business, effective communication is very important in companies with workplace. Diversity, good communication skills helps to reduce the barriers erected because of the language and cultural differences. Companies also provide communication training to the domestic and international employees to reap the benefit of effective workplace. So, with the help in diversity means if the working hours in some companies are so high, so how it will be adjustable because you have learned the communication skills, so it will be easily adjustable because different companies move to different rules and regulations. So always communication help for the diversity. So it is very, very important for the professionals and technical students. Communication for global business. Communication is very important for the global business, means with global business transactions continuously increasing the need for the effective communication. To meet the global domestic is also increasing companies that to prepare their workers to excel with verbal and non-verbal communication skills. Means find it too easier to enter into the global market. Effective communication is very important for the business looking to expand and beyond its domestic borders. So communication is very, very important for the global business. Means then you can say communication is also very important for the effective and very nice team building. If you are a good communication skills, if you have communication skills, then you can easily build the good and effective team. How it communication in the workplace help employees and managers form highly efficient terms. Effective communication reduces the unnecessary competition within the departments and helps employees work together. Help employees in work together harmoniously with high productivity. High productivity will be increased when the good team building will be improved in any of the company. Then then it will be integrity and responsibility. HODs, managers, directors, all need their supports because a good and highly productive team will be only due to the good communication skills. And it will be very beneficial and effective and positive relationship that benefits the company as a whole. Communication is also the good for building of the moral of the employees. Moral of the employees always, if a good communicator, if the communication is best, and if the communicator will be give the moral support to their employees, then employees will give the highly productive and highly good things to their team leader. Then how it will, and it is the very important, and it is very improvement in employees moral can result from the effective communication and coming from the management. When the management give the highly moral values, moral support, moral approach to their employees, then it will be the most good, and it will be best and good productivity in their institution. It reduces healthy work and it produces healthy work environment when employees are satisfied with their jobs. If the employees are satisfied with their job, then they will definitely do the good work, and if, when they will do the good work, the productivity will be automatically high. Then if that all depends upon, because the management is giving the high and supportable morality to their employees, then and it is able to efficiently perform their duties with a positive attitude, and failing to communicate effectively in a workplace and leads to the when any when the good and moral support will be given to the employees, it will be failing to communicate effectively as a then frustration will be in the low, and it will be give the high product with high productivity. And however, managers can avoid such the problems by keeping to the lines of the communication open, so that it is due to the good communication skills. If good communication skill is best, then all it will be all the work will be done by the best from the employees. This is all about from the why the communication skill is very important and supportive for and cooperations satisfaction. So keep it up and keep learning and stay blessed. Thank you.